Hi guys, it's Aaron here. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Systems. Happy Friday to you all. What I'm going to do is introduce today's Trade of the Week video. So we're going to be going through all the trades that triggered this week and essentially seeing what opportunities our clients could have had in the markets. So to start off the week, we're going to be going to the Monday where one of the trades did trigger, and that was a Aussie dollar trade. So in order to show you the Monday, guys, I'm going to go into the LT archives. Click on the 14th of March, and that will hopefully load up in just a moment. There we go. The trade itself was as an Aussie long at 75.20. And obviously, this week's volatility has been an interesting one, isn't it? If you guys have been sort of keeping up to date with the markets, we've had sort of last 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, some very volatile days there. Obviously, due to the FOMC, so. The FOMC, they did lower their economic projections for the US, which obviously had a big impact on the US dollar. And as you guys are aware, if you're trading major currencies, that's then obviously going to have an effect on any currency pair you're trading. And we had some big moves on Wednesday, then I think we had the continuation of those moves on the Thursday. Today's been a little bit quieter. There's not been too much happening today, but it is only sort of the middle of the day. So there is obviously the rest of the day to occur, but we should wait and see what happens. But the first trade here was the Aussie dollar on the 14th. And we can see in here, support now at 75.20. So as you guys all know, all we have to do with this information is that we go to the 14th, we match that to a zone on the system. So we'll go to 75.20 for the 14th, which is just here. And we go just here, 75.20. And you can see market goes in excess of sort of 35 pips there. So that was a good trade. Now, the next trade we had was again an Aussie trade, but that was on the Tuesday this time, that triggering. And to show you the trade, we actually gave the trade on the Monday. Sorry, the trade triggered on the Wednesday. Sorry about that. It's triggered on the 15th. So what we can see is if we go to the information there, go to new trades of the day, you can see trade C, long AUD USD at 74.50 with a 40 pip stop and a target of 76.20. So then if we go to the Wednesday, sorry, the Tuesday, beg my pardon, get a bit confused there. But 74.50. You can see on the 15th just here, triggering in. And this is the day where the Aussie really did consolidate, where Tuesday and Wednesday we had a lot of consolidation. And then all of a sudden, from the FOMC event, you can see the market went in excess of, 100, 200 pips there. It was a very, very good trade. That was a 170 pip trade. You would have seen that if you'd watched our previous video. The trade was clearly stated long at 74.50 with a 40 pip stop and a target of 76.20. You can clearly see, bang, there goes the market, there goes 76.20. You're looking at 170 pips in a few days. That was a fantastic trade that was taken this week, one of our longer term trades triggering in there. And we also had another trade trigger that day. That was GBP trade, which was 42.52. So let me just bring that up there, bring that to the 15th. That was actually a losing trade. So I believe it was 42.52, which was just this trade here. You can see it, depending on the entry, it really depends on how many pips you would have got out of it. If you'd got in the trade correctly, then you could have got your 20 pips out of the trade. If you'd got in right at the top of the trade, it might have come back and stopped you. Depends. If you were there to watch the trade, then you certainly could have taken some profit off that particular trade. But we want to be fair to our clients, and we say, look, if you've got a 9-to-5 job, you might not have been there to take the profit. Then we had 2 trades trigger yesterday. Those are 2 Swissy trades. So we go to the Swissies, to the 17th. And obviously that's just the continuation of the moves off Wednesday. We can see that the first zone at 96.94, that particular area just being here, you can see that zone goes through, so that was no good. That was minus 20. But then this zone here, we did have another zone at 96.60, and I'll show you the analysis for that region. So we go to the 17th, and we go all the way down to the dollar Swiss just in here. And you see in there support levels, key support 96.60. Okay, and obviously we've got 97.15 in there as well. So obviously the 96.60 zone holding really nicely, and that one I think in the end bringing in about 25-30 pips or so off that particular area there. Yeah, looking about 30 pips or so off that particular area. So if we're looking at pips total, looking for around the 20 to 30 pip mark on the Monday with the Aussie trade at 75.20. Then you're looking at the 170 pip trade, the longer term trade there, so it's 190. You're looking at two losers, so you're looking at 150 minus 40. Then you're looking at another 25-30 off this Swissy trade. So you're looking at around 180 pips for the week, which is an absolutely fantastic figure. 180 pips for a week. You times that by £10 a point, 1,800 quid. That's not bad money at all, is it, guys? Yeah. So the information here, it's so easy to follow. It's not difficult at all. You could teach a child how to read this analysis. All effectively you've got to do is read the chart, do exactly as the chart says, and you make the pips. It tells you the direction, tells you the currency pair, the price, the stop loss, and the target. All you've got to do is place a limit order, and then in it goes, and that triggers, and you've made the money. Obviously, you can move your stop loss up with as well, as long as it goes. But those are our trades of the week. If you're interested in what you see today, then all you've got to do is click on book a free consultation, put your name, your email, your telephone. Essentially, one of our account managers will get back to you in regards to sort of showing you the live analysis, showing you the system working, and essentially our one-to-one mentoring as well, because we're a total package here. It's not just a system to trade with. You get your mentoring, you get this system, you get the analysis as well. So thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate that. Don't forget to obviously like and subscribe, and obviously follow us on all the usual social media links as well. Thank you for watching, guys.